Elden Ring looks tiny and adorable with a tilt-shifted camera.
Yeah.
It's amazing how that tilt shift works, isn't it?
It really hits the spot. Very satisfying.
Oh, satisfaction guaranteed.
I don't know if maybe it's like the frame rate as well. It looks like a diorama.
We're getting more Elon tweets, by the way. More breaking Elon tweets. Yeah, even in our fun zone here. Yes, you're right. This is satisfying.
By the YouTuber Floor Day.
So he took the game and applied some degree of filter to it to create this tilt shift effect, which makes everything seem so miniature and cute and also real. Like, although the movement was a little, whoa, that's crazy. That looks like a physical item and not a video game. What are those people doing? Dancing?
They're dancing.
Wow.
The way that it's moving, it looks like it's kind of real. And the lighting and everything, it's very well done.
It is weird, the effect of tilt shift, how it makes... Yeah, it's not... It isn't necessarily how we see things. I know like the way our perspective works is you have like the blurry sections. You can't focus on everything. And then video games tend to have a lot of things in focus, and it's really hard to create depth of field in games. This tilt shift effect does create an experience that's somewhere between real and video game.
And possibly like a new way to play. Look at the dragon here. It looks like a claymation.
No, but you can't play this way. This is going to be very difficult to render such things.
Yeah.
But I mean, we can watch it and imagine it after the fact. Shout out Nate Brown. All right, you got to just quickly go and see this Elon tweet. I don't know. People are just telling us there's another tweet, Will. You have to go. You got to keep this on deck, man. I don't know. Give a refresh over here on replies. They might be trolling us as well. It's quite possible. Oh, wow. He's still going. Twitter Inc. Q4 21 review. Investments continue to fuel multi-year transition. In analyzing Twitter's Q4 21 earnings report and forward operating commentary, a few key themes. Many of them, reiteration of the past year, were front and center. First, Twitter management expressed optimism on their ability to grow users at an accelerated pace versus prior periods. However, we remain below that forecast. Second, Twitter remains in investment mode, as evidenced by management 2022 OPEX against goals aimed at user growth, product innovation, advertising, diversification. What else am I supposed to be seeing here? Oh, Goldman Sachs is just ranking Twitter as a sell. I get it. Okay, that's the key portion. He's saying, take my offer. He's saying...
This was 2 months ago.
Yeah, he's saying a lot of downside. Things aren't going well. You're not making enough money. Sell to me already. Here's evidence why you should. Okay, we got it. There's your update. Don't worry, we're on top of it over here. Breaking. See, Will, you put breaking in the title and the people really need you. Okay.